Good afternoon. It is beautiful here today. It's going to be really nice all weekend. So I came up to work on the garden over there. Last week I came up, it just rained steadily all weekend long, and it just wasn't going to happen. So I think I saw some kind of tracks by the entrance above. Don't know what they're from. I don't know what those are from. Don't think. Maybe it's a bird. There's our bunkie, standing royally. So I'm hoping to move these over to where it's going to go around the garden. That's a lot of blocks. See how I do. So 1, 2. I may only need 2 high. I thought I was going to need 3. I'll see. So we're hoping to have this all removed sometime soon. So there's some nice wood here that we're going to use to build like a little wood shed, just to protect the wood over, well, from the elements, so that it stays dry. Is this Joe's hat? It is. And it was here for what, 3 weeks? 3 weeks, maybe even 4. Because I didn't come up for 2 weekends because I was sick. So it got drenched. So this is what I'm going to be working on, is building this little wall here. I'm going to start here because there's root here, and I'm going to just set the block right in front of this thing here, this root. It's too big to cut, and I don't want to be dealing with that. So there's just sufficient room to fit one here. I may just have to trim a little bit off. It's going to be wider than I wanted it to. Oh well. I'm a little concerned about these hydrangeas. Oh, I am seeing oh, this is amazing. I didn't know whether they would survive the weather here, but it looks like they will. Yay! I'm gonna try and work on this mound here. So my my objective is to do this wall because I would like to get this garden in this spring. So is get the wall in here, get the mulch off there, top it with the soil. I'm going to need more soil, and get this done. Even if I don't put the rocks on that side there, I'm okay. I can still do the garden and add the rocks later. But I'd like to get this wall put in and wrap it around over there to establish the height of where it's going to end up. And then I can just bring it around whenever. I don't know what we're going to do with this stump. Now I do have another peacock. If we can get it cut shorter, same height as that one and that one there. I could put the other peacock on here, but if not, yeah, I want it off. I want it out, as well as that other stump over there. I am so pleased with this. Oh, thank goodness, because I have another 3 on the other side by the neighbors, and I was looking at them the last time I was here, and I didn't see any signs at all of any budding or any growth. I've tried to contact the guys who are supposed to be taking down these 2 dead stumps, the birch, and they haven't returned my call. They told me they'd be here right after, like, first, second week of May, and here we are. And yeah, I've left 2 messages and they haven't gotten back to me, so I'm a little worried. It's beautiful. It's been quite busy. It's dinner time now, but I've just been sitting and relaxing for about 2 hours and unpacking, and had a coffee and my dinner. It was so busy here in the bay. I think within that span of time I must have seen about 15 kayaks and canoes go by. I think people are anxious to start the cottage season. So what I'd like to do between today and tomorrow is hopefully line up that rock there. Hopefully. I'll have to see. There was some limestone on this side of the patio stones. That sun is not in good position. Yeah, this is better. Between the garden and the patio stones, there was limestone underneath, and then the wood chips just went over it. So I'm going to pull them back because I'd like those stones, the retaining stones, to just sit below the patio stones and have a gap between that and the patio stones, which will then fill with the sand that we were supposed to use on there. So I just have to figure out what to do over there, whether I may even just put half stones there and then run the wall in front of it. I also liked what I thought initially just by using rockery there, but I was thinking more of the pattern, and that's going to be pretty straight, and I don't know how that will look, because it'll be obvious that it's because it's just wider, and I don't want the garden to go that far. So I'll see what I can do. We may even trim the stones. I know that Joe doesn't like to do them, but if I have anyone else here doing some work, we'll do that. And then that last row of patio stones by the lake, that's got to come off. It's too wide. I didn't want it there. I just wanted it up to the stump. I wanted it, oh my goodness, I wanted it up to that stump. So that other row there, I don't want. And I think that's the row that was supposed to be on that side there, which is going to head to the new deck when it's up. So anyhow, it's just beautiful here. I'm going to go get my gloves and the wheelbarrow, and I'm going to start moving those rocks over.